Hey guys, it's Mr. Golias, and we are doing Discovery Day number 2. And we are building up for our Artifact Day planning and preparation presentation coming up at the end of the week. And that's what we're working on right now with Discovery Day. You're doing one of two things. You're either making a sketch, and that's for the video game people, 3D printing people, people making apps. You're making a sketch of yours. I'll show samples in a minute. Or you're doing storyboards, and that's for any type of video production and animation. So let's take a look. Here's an example of someone who used Sketchpad, and this is kind of the layout of their game, and it helps them so they know how to make their game. This person wanted to do better on the rubric and not just get a 3. You'll notice the 4 on this is even showed proof of starting the project. And what that looks like is showing their account. They can show that code has started. They can see in the upper corner, identify their username so I know it's actually their account. So that would be somebody who's in the 4 category. An example of CAD, here's a sketch that's already been made. Here's an example where they're actually created their account and they're underway. An app the same way, they've sketched it out. I can actually see it. They would have to show me a screenshot of their website as well. For the folks doing the videos, documentaries, time lapses, tutorials, screencast animations, we're doing storyboards. You can right click my sample that's in the directions. Every box is active, so if you click on it you can type. You can make your own creations. Like this person, you can tell some of this was done by themselves. They also inserted images like you can see here. Here's another example of a finished one. It's basically just a visual outline of what you're going to do. But then I had people show, hey, here's the software. This person's using VSDC Video Editor. This person was using Pencil 2D. They are showing, look, here's what I'm using. I'm underway. Maybe you're going to have a bunch of slides or frames, excuse me, that you've already done, and that lets me know. So that is the point of today. So again, we are using either Sketchpad or we're making a storyboard, and we are gearing up for our next presentation where you're actually going to share with people your planning and your preparation, and yes, you will get a grade. Don't forget the rubric is available in the Genius Hour section for your presentations coming up later in the week. So this is your time to work. Good luck.